This is how it works, yeah? Trust me on this. To all the bachelors out there who need some help making something tasty, you've got to start with frying onions and garlic. If you don't do that, it's not going to work. So fry up a shitload of onions and garlic. You ever fucking touched onions or like touched the open garlic clove? You cannot get that shit off your hands. That means the flavor is like erotic. It's disgustingly intense. Put that in the frying pan with whatever, a lot of butter in this case. Fry that shit up, and that is your base. Then, this is what all people do. You got the meat, cover that in the spice first. Make your fucking spice mix. Cover that in the spice mix first. Throw that shit into the pan. Fucking cook that shit up. And then you add like tomato paste and cream or whatever cream you want, and you fucking boil it and let it all stew and stuff covered. And as it reduces and the water goes away, you get this rich curry. I made one. I cannot believe I made that curry. It was fucking sexy as hell. I don't have a name for it. But how about curry massacre? Shall I do a curry massacre? Shall I put a cooking program? I generally think you have to know about cooking to make a cooking program. You can't get away with it like people in the music industry do, where bedroom producers make some shitty song and everyone loves it. I think you've got to have some quality already there, really. Because I've seen random people make a cooking video and it's the most cringeworthy thing. I've seen it. I'm not going to blow this person up, but I've seen people do it who are not cooks, and it's just awful. It makes you not want to unfollow that person from whatever social media you're following them on. So I made a good curry. I was well proud of myself. I made one for my girlfriend. She's a vegetarian. It blew her mind. She said, it tastes like meat. It tastes like meat. So that was cool. Giving a vegetarian the meat taste, because really you associate curry with meat, the spices. So that's why she thought it tasted of meat. Curry massacre.